Hey guys, this is how to fix GlobeOne app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. Now, first thing that you will do is simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom. And now search for the application, guys. And now from here, when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. Instead of open, you will see update. And another thing, just simply tap on the three dots on the top right. It make sure to enable the auto update. Now, another solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply go to the apps. And after that, just simply find the Globe One over here and tap on it. And from here, tap on storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix it. Now, if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on a clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix the problem. Now, if you still encounter the issue, just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply reinstall it back again by going to the Google Play Store and install it again. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. See ya.